PB&J, but make it a smoothie bowl. I'm adding 1 banana that I've broken into chunks into a blender, along with 4 heaping tablespoons of nut butter. This is a crunchy almond butter that I'm using, and then half a cup of milk. I used an almond coconut milk blend, but you can use whatever you prefer. Blend everything together, and this is going to make the base of our smoothie bowl, the peanut butter to the jelly. Now for the jelly, I rinsed the blender and added 7 strawberries, a half a cup of blueberries, and a spoonful of honey, and blended it all up. Now to make the PB&J, I just swirl the jelly over top. You can get as artistic or not as you want. Then I adorn it with some freshly sliced strawberries, a few blueberries, and then a handful of chopped almonds. I sometimes use sliced almonds, and you can really use whatever nuts correspond with the nut milk and nut butter that you use to make your bowl. And that is breakfast. Thanks for watching.